Just wait 2 minutes, then we will start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am audible, na? Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So, yeah. So there are four number system, that is binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. Okay. And one thing in our daily life, we are using the decimal number system, and the computer, laptop, the electronic gadgets mainly or mainly the read the binary number systems. Okay, so before going to discuss these four number systems, first there is a concept, that is the what is base or radix. Okay, so now I'm writing here base or radix. Okay, so base or radix means the radix is the number of unique digit, including the digit 0, uh, to represent the number. I'm writing here. Okay, so the radix or base is the number of unique digits, including the digit. So used to represent numbers. Okay. So means, for example, for the decimal number system, the radix is 10. Okay, so 10, because it starts from 0 to 9. Okay, so each number system has the radix value. Radix value means the upper limit, and the formula for radix. The formula for radix is formula for radix is zero to r minus 1. So I have said for decimal number system, the value of radix is 10. So 0 to 10 minus 1 equals to 9. So the range of decimal number system is 0 to 9. Okay. So actually in decimal number systems, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is used. Okay. For the octal number system, yeah, for the octal number system, this is for the decimal. This is decimal. For octal, sorry, for binary number system here, the radix value is r is 2. Here r is 10. R is 2. 2 means what number is used for binary? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ankita, I have said the radix value for binary is 2. So what number is used or involved in the binary number system? I already give you the formula for the yeah.
Sir, 0 to 1.
0 to 1. So 0 to 1 means what are the numbers? 0 और 1 का अंदर में कोई नंबर होता है क्या? Actually fraction छोड़ के.
No, sir.
So the what number is involved for binary?
So 1 0.
Yeah.
Sir,
हाँ. So यहाँ पर 0 to r minus 1 means here 2 minus 1. So यहाँ पर 1, so 0 and 1. यहाँ पर 0 to 9. This is for binary. Okay. So for octal, radix value is octal is 8. R is 8. So what number is represent the octal value or octal number system? What number is involved in octal number system? From what to what?
sir, 0 to 7.
0 to 7. Very good.
Yes.
So here 0 to 8 minus 1, 7. So for the case of octal, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is for octal. And for hexadecimal, the radix value is 16. So what number is involved in hexadecimal number system?
0 to 15. 0 to 15.
Yeah,
0 to 50.
0 to 15. So is 0, I'm writing 0 to 15. This is for hexadecimal. Okay. Now my question is that here you can see for hexadecimal it is 0 to 15. Okay, and suppose you want to pass 2-bit hexadecimal number. Okay, 2-bit hexadecimal number, the value is here I am writing, suppose value is 213. So it is hexadecimal number or it is decimal number. It is hexadecimal number or decimal number.
सर हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर.
कैसे तुमको समझ में आ रहा है? बोलो. 213. So 213, this 3 digit is involved in decimal number. Yeah. And
Yes, sir.
213, this 3 also involved in hexadecimal number. So how you will differentiate between decimal to hexadecimal number? I am giving you this question. All of you try to give the answer. Just try. It may be wrong. No issue.
Sir, because it is 3-digit number,
No.
means 3-digit number is involved.
No. It is not 3-digit number. I have said that earlier that suppose you want to pass 2-bit hexadecimal number. So in that case, suppose it is 2-bit hexadecimal number. So I just told you, that's why suppose you assume that this is the 2-bit hexadecimal number. Okay. So suppose 2 and this is 13. So if I not mention here, this is 2-bit hexadecimal number. So you can choose as a decimal number, na? But I have already mentioned this is 2-bit hexadecimal number. So how you will represent this? Okay. So there is a solution I am giving you. Okay. Solution that not means there is a way of presentation. So what is the way of presentation? Actually, this is 2 bits means no. This is 2 bits means this is 1 bit and this is 1 bit. But for hexadecimal, this is 13. But if in decimal, you will treat as a 1 and 3. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So when so there is a confusion. So to remove this confusion in hexadecimal number, there is a decoding part. What is the function? So function means here when here you can see 0 to 15. So 0 to 9, 0 to 9. This is same as decimal. So after that you will get 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So rest there are 6 numbers in hexadecimal. Am I right? The range of hexadecimal is 0 to 15 and 0 to 9 is same as the decimal. So there are 6 number, na? 10 to 15. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
so देखो यहाँ पर 0 to 9, तो उसका बाद हेक्साडेसिमल में कौन रेंज तो 15 तक, तो 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So there are also 6 numbers in hexadecimal. I have here just written 0 to 9. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here in hexadecimal, 10 means A, 11 means B, 12 means C, 13 means D, 14 means E, and 15 means F. Okay. So when pass or he will want to pass a 2-bit hexadecimal number. Suppose here, so to remove the confusion in hexadecimal, it should be written like 2D. Now we are getting the point, I think.
Yes, sir.
So when you will write 2A, B, C, D or E or A, so from this name, you will easily understand that this is the 2-bit hexadecimal number. This is not a decimal number. Now it is clear? Or you have any doubt? I think अभी भी doubt है ना? Doubt है तो बोलो, हम दूसरी बार क्लियर करेंगे.
सर ऑफिस रिपीट कीजिए उसको.
कौन सा वाला?
सर जो 213 जो आप बोले 2D क्या?
अच्छा, हम पहले क्या लिखे थे यहाँ पर? हम तुमको जस्ट बोल दिया 213 हम बोल दिया ये 2-बिट हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर है, लेकिन तुमको देख कर ये समझ में आ रहा है ये हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर है? नहीं आ रहा है. तुमको लग रहा है ये 2 है, 1 है, 3 है. एंड 213 this all digits is involved in decimal number as well as hexadecimal number. सही ना जो हम बोल रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
So but I know that this is a 2-bit hexadecimal number, but from this 213 anybody cannot understand this is a 2-bit hexadecimal number. Why? Because this 1 and 3 both are involved in hexadecimal number and the decimal number. So how we differentiate between hexadecimal and decimal? So if 0 to 9 there is no issue, but when actually in here 2-bit means here 2 is 1 bit and in hexadecimal it is 13. But if you don't know it is 13 or 1 and 3, so when it is 10 to 15, in between the 10 to 15, in that time you will not write 13, 14 or 15. In that case you will write 2D. Why D? Because the value of D is 13. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose here now you just tell me this is, suppose this is I have just said 2-bit hexadecimal number. This is not 1 and 3, 2-bit hexadecimal number. So what is the actual representation of this 2-bit hexadecimal number? I have mentioned this is 2-bit hexadecimal number. Hello, bolo.
Sir, D7.
D7. Okay, now we are getting. So then you can understand from this number that this is a hexadecimal number. Now it is clear for all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
बाकी सारा जो है हम तो दो ही का शायद शुभम बोल रहा है यार. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? सुमित्रा.
Sir, Mamta.
Mamta. So Mamta and Shubham, actually these two people are representing here. Actually these two people are giving the answer. The rest of there are 3 people also. There are 3 students also. Harshit Kumar. Harshit.
Yes, sir.
Till now whatever I have discussed, are you getting?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Some parts are not clear, but I'll look them up when the class is over.
Okay. Shumitra.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, clear. Ankita.
Yes, sir. So I'm responding.
Okay, 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 okay. So now we will focus, that is the conversion from each number systems to another number system. So today we will mainly focus the conversion from the decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. Okay, so here I mean this thing. So how actually suppose here I am writing the decimal number system. Suppose here it is 24. Okay. So first I will show you the conversion between decimal to binary. Okay. So this is the decimal value. You can easily understand. This is the decimal value. Now our aim is to decimal to this. Here I am writing D for decimal and B for binary. Okay. So this is the decimal value. So here 24. Actually here in the I think in your school level you can divide these things, or you can do these things many times. Okay, so here just to follow these things, whatever what we will do. The next is, so if we divided 24 successive division, so here you will get 12. So remainder is 0. Next is 2, 6. Remainder is 0. Next is 2, 3. Remainder is 0. Next is 2. Here 1 and remainder is 1. Okay. So यहाँ पर देखो 1 जब हमको मिल रहा, so 1 2 से छोटा है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
1
Yes,
2 से
sir.
1 2 से छोटा है. तो और हम सक्सेसिव डिवीजन नहीं करें. ठीक है. So the value of 24 in binary, when you will count in that time, you consider that bottom to top, the side of bottom to top means this way. Okay, so in this sequence you will consider. So here 24 base, what is the base value of decimal? Hello,
2, sir.
what is the base value of decimal?
Sir, 2.
Base value of decimal 2. Just few
Sir,
minutes.
10.
10.
Oh, sir. 10.
So
Sorry, sir.
now you will say and I will write what is the value here in the binary. What is the value of 24?
So 1000.
No 100 में नहीं, यहाँ पर ये 1 भी
1
होगा.
1 0 0.
Yeah,
1 0 0.
1 1 000. Base is
2.
2.
base is 2. Okay, so in this way you can convert the decimal number to binary number. Okay, so I think at this moment you have pen and copy.
Yes, sir.
I am giving you two number 56 and 74. 56 and 74. These two decimal number you just convert to binary and see the value of these two numbers, binary value. hurry up, tell me.
Sir, for 56, 111, 000,
कितना?
111, 000 for 56.
56 का 111 000
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और 74 का करो.
So 1001010.
एक बार बोलो 1
00
हाँ.
1010.
एक मिनट. बाकी सारा को आया है?
Yes, sir. आ गया.
एक मिनट. ओके, सो यहाँ पर क्या हमको दिखाना होगा या तुमको आया है?
आ गया sir.
Sir,
आ गया सर.
आ गया? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so you can check also. Okay, so here how you will check that your binary conversion is right or wrong. Okay, so here I am just giving you the one checking here. Suppose for the case of 56, you have told that is for the case of 56 it is 111000. Okay, so yeah, so in that case you can write this way that the base is 2. Okay, and you will count from 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So you will just check that you will get 56 from this way or not. So here it is 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3, because you just calculate where the 1 is, so rest of the part is 0. Okay, 2 to the power 2 into 0, this means 0 na. Okay, actually here 2 to the power 5 into 1, it is 1, it is 1, rest of is there 2 to the power 2 into 0, 2 to the power 1 into 0, and 2 to the power 0 into 0. So that's why I am not here writing the rest of the part. Okay, so 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 means it is 32. Next 2 to the power 4 means 16, and 2 to the power 8 means 2 to the power 3 means 8. So after this you will get 56. So your binary conversion is perfect. Okay, till now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Next is, that is the, suppose 24 here, it is the conversion from binary to, sorry, a decimal to binary. Okay, and the base is 2 for binary, that's why you here done the successive division by 2. But for the case of suppose decimal to octal, so in that case 24 is divided by what? 24 is divided by what?
8.
Why 8?
Sir, because octal के लिए sir 8 होता है.
ऑक्टल का क्या 8 होता है? बेस.
Yes, sir.
या बेस 8 होता है, तो यहाँ पर 8 से डिवाइड करना होगा. सो 8 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो 3 and the remainder is 0. So again from bottom to top. So we are 24 10 equals to 30 base 8. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for the case of suppose hexadecimal, so hexadecimal I am writing here. Okay, so hexadecimal, it is 24 is divided by what? 24 का हम हेक्साडेसिमल में कितने कितने से डिवाइड करेंगे?
16. 16.
16.
Yes, sir.
No, not 15, 16 radix value. Okay, 16. So 16 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 1 and reminded is 8. So what is the decimal sorry, what is the hexadecimal value of 24? What is the hexadecimal value of 24 here?
Sir, 18 base 16.
24 10 is to 18 base 16. So here you understand the conversion from decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. Now it is clear, or you have any doubt till now? Whatever I have discussed, it is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is I am deleting these things. Okay, just few things I am deleting here. And one thing in between, you just write your name in the chat box again for the attendance for this session. Okay. Okay. Suppose, okay, suppose I have mentioned here 24, but suppose it is not 24. It is suppose yeah, suppose it is here 24.25. Okay, so in that case, and for binary conversion, so this is the decimal part and this is the fraction part. Okay, so here in that case you will do like this. Okay, suppose here it is 0.25, you will multiply till now whenever you will get 0. Okay, so suppose here this is multiplied with 2, so it is 0.5. So the here the left part it is 0. Okay, so 0 means this is 0. Next is 0.5 is multiplied with 2, so this is 1.0. so here it is 1. Next is, so it is 0.0. So 2. This is 0.0. Okay. So just 1 minute. Okay, so you can see here we are getting 0.00. Okay, so it will not consider. So the value of 0.25 here in the previous one we are considering from bottom to top, but here when you will get like point, so in that case in the right hand side part you will consider the top to bottom. So top to bottom here it is this. Okay, so for 20.25, what is the binary value? You already know the value of 24 in binary, so it is 11000. Then point what?
010.
010 not 01, not 0. I have said that when you will get the 00, this line is will not consider. Okay, so what is the value of 25?
10.
0.
One,
01.
not
01.
1001, because when the point or fraction in that time you will consider from top to bottom, so it is 0.1 base 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the time is over. So till now I have discussed normally for the conversion of decimal to other number. In the next class we will discuss the rest of the conversion part. So the first class is over. So now I am asking you that after doing this class, it is okay, it is understandable for all of you, whatever I have discussed?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बोला है, आ रहा है समझ में, आ रहा है ना?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ओके, तो तुमको कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा क्लास रिलेटेड, कोई भी रिलेटेड तुम पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है? किसी भी जगह पे कोई डाउट आएगा तो हमको पूछ सकते हो, हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में डाउट क्लियर करेंगे, ठीक है? और भी हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे कन्वर्शन, ठीक है? एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन